Okay, so these ones are for the possession of the same item versus different items. So for these, you just have to remember that where there's an S is where you're going to put an apostrophe. That's the easiest way I can say it. So when one person owns one item, you know you have to have the apostrophe. When two people own or more people own an item, you know you have to have an apostrophe. In this case, the names are all listed there. So we've got Caesar and Marybelle, and they own their home, okay? So Caesar and Marybelle own their home. In order to show possession of their home, the S is already here, right? And so you know that you have to add the apostrophe to it. They own the exact same home. Here, they own two completely different job contracts. They're both teacher contracts, but they're different contracts, okay? There's an S with both names. So both S's have to have an apostrophe in front of them, okay? And then I'm just going to show you that extra part, which is kind of what I just explained. So when you own the same thing, there's only an S on the last name listed. So even if it was Caesar, Marybelle, and Anthony, if they all own the home together, that name that has the possession is the one with the S, and it's going to go at the end. So there's only an apostrophe S on the very last name listed. There could be 6 names listed here, okay? And that apostrophe S would only go on that last name listed, okay? In this case, there could be 6 names listed here talking about their job contracts that they own, and every single name listed will have an apostrophe S, okay? So they own the same item here. The apostrophe S only goes at the very end, and they all own separate items here, and the apostrophe S will go with every single name listed, even if it's 5 names, 10 names, it doesn't matter.